guys, John here with EZ LYNK. Just wanted to cover how to go and find out what is supported on your vehicle. This is the EZ LYNK homepage, www.ezlynk.com. Here at the homepage, we're going to click on Vehicles. It's going to bring up supported vehicles, and this is where we're going to see what the vehicle capabilities are. So we're going to go in, we're going to type in 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 6.6 Duramax. And here it's going to talk about the capabilities. So we can update the ECM, we can update the TCM, we have enhanced monitoring, diagnostic control, change tire size, stationary desoot, crankshaft relearn, prime fuel pump, DPF reset, DPF sensor reset, air filter monitor setup, vane position relearn, and speed limiter. And then this is also going to show you where all the available PIDs are. If there's a vehicle that doesn't have anything supported that you're driving, you can request vehicle support here. So you're going to put in your year, make, model, engine and transmission, email, describe a feature, if there's a feature missing that you would like. And if you do need to contact support because you did try a function and it's not working properly on your vehicle, you can either call the number or send an email to tech support. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to helping you out more in the future.